A 4.8 magnitude earthquake rattled New York and the eastern seaboard.
April TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Jenna. To all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari Soldier, your favorite Jamaican. Now, if this is your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. Become a part of the Rastaman panel. Ladies and gentlemen, a rare situation in the eastern part of the United States as a 4.8 magnitude earthquake has rattled New York, New Jersey, and the eastern part of the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, reporting live here is Rastafari Soldier. New Jersey, New York shook. Residents surrounding the state of New York City on Friday morning was one of the strongest in the state's history. A tremor was reported about 5 miles north of the Whitehouse Station, New Jersey, about 10:23 a.m. Friday, according to the United States Geological Survey. The epicenter was about 45 miles from New York City, where residents reported felt shaking and furniture moved also around the floor. Earthquakes in the region are uncommon, but not unexpected. It is likely people near the epicenters are going to feel aftershock from this earthquake in a magnitude of 2 to 3.3 range, and there's a small chance there can be an earthquake as large or larger following the earthquake like this. Paul Earle, a seismologist, at the USGS Earthquake Hazards Program, told the reporter, in terms of our operation, this is a routine earthquake. Immediately we knew this would be a high intense and important to the people who don't feel earthquake a lot. People reported feeling and shaking as far as north as Maine and as far south as Norfolk, Virginia, following the earthquake. According to the USGS, scientists said that these are aftereffects. Areas should listen to local emergency officials and be prepared to seek cover in the case of aftershock occur. If you feel shaken, drop cover and hold. Earle said, no major disruption or damage are being reported in New Jersey or New York. We have activated our state emergency operations center. Please do not call 911 unless you have an actual emergency, said New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy. President Joe Biden spoke on Murphy about earthquake, and the White House is monitoring the situation. He thinks everything is under control. Biden told reporter before leaving the White House for a trip to Baltimore he's not too concerned about the government of New Jersey, so things are all right. New York Governor Kathy Hochul said the earthquake was felt through New York and officials are assessing impacts and any potential damages. In New York, New Jersey, Yonkers, Mayor Steve Spano said the city hall shook, but no injuries were reported. A few moments ago, our entire house shook for about 25 seconds or so here in Mendham, New Jersey. Former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie said USGS is still investigating the extent of the fault line at the center of Friday quake and said it occurred in the region with dozens of fault lines that were more active millions of years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so relieved that there's no major injuries because me have some family up in Abu York. Big up on yourself, my families and friends all over the place, east, west, north, and south. Hey, you hear what they said? If the earthquake forward, if you drop, roll, and hold. Hold on for something, they must say, me a run go outside. You're mad. Subscribe to the Rastaman channel. Leave your comment. Let me know if you was involved in any earthquake, especially people them out west in California and them place there. Let me know, Jamaica, how you felt the other day when the earthquake was rattling you. Yeah. Leave me a comment and let me know if you ever had these experiences, but New York and New Jersey felt it. A 4.8 rattled the eastern coast of the United States. More life and more joy. Them said it felt the after effect all the way up north, up to Maine, and all the way down to Virginia. Insane. Yeah, more life and more joy. It's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Yeah, I'm reporting live. Yeah, 4.8 magnitude earthquake rattled New York and New Jersey.
I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
TV.
Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV.
Fire,